Hello, Chef Pierre in one of the kitchens again, whipping up a recipe. I thought I'd share it with you. I'm making coleslaw. Of course, we're using fresh cabbage, carrots, little garlic, mayonnaise, eggs, salt, pepper, sugar, all the good stuff that goes in the coleslaw. But the video I wanted to show you was about using a mandolin. So, cut-proof glove, 1 pound of carrots. I want to show you just how fast you can put the carrots through the mandolin once you set it up correctly. In this particular case, I'm adding, I'm going with the thin julienne blades. All right, and I want to open it up so there's about a 1/16 of an inch right there. Then I'm going to give it a quick test. Too fine, a little more. Aha, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay. Oh, a bit more. There we go. Okay, so this is the cut I've got right here. Really, really nice. Okay, there we go. 1 pound of carrots takes about 2 or 3 minutes probably. The small scrap pieces, of course, go in my vegetable stock that I'm reserving, or chicken stock for later. If you need to score the products, mandolin made in France, cut glove made in the USA, braided stainless steel throughout this glove. This one's several years old, still working like new. If you need to score these products, hit up your sponsor right there. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Make sure to subscribe and search the chef's recipes. Coleslaw, by the way, has been on this website, on this YouTube. It's been on this YouTube channel for many years. So look around. Just search it in the channel and you'll see the chef's version of coleslaw. We actually have several of them. Hit that little like button and be cool. Half onion. The finished coleslaw. Quick tasting. Oh, yeah. I like salt. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.